AI smart dash cameras enhance driving safety by detecting fatigue, preventing accidents, and providing reliable real-time evidence automatically. Today's video is about top 5 best AI smart dash cameras that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Yecore Dashcam front and rear. Inside Yecore D53 3-channel 4K dashcam delivers strong all-around vehicle protection for drivers, families, and rideshare users. With a 4K front camera and dual 1080p cabin and rear cameras, it provides excellent 360 degrees coverage and clear multi-angle recording. Starvis 2 HDR and f1.5 aperture significantly improve night vision, capturing sharp details in low light and challenging conditions. The digital HDR rear camera and infrared cabin camera ensure reliable footage even in darkness or harsh lighting situations. Built-in 5G Wi-Fi and GPS tracking make viewing, downloading, and raw playback easy via the mobile app and PC software. Parking modes, G-sensor locking, and included 64GB card enhance safety and secure important accident evidence automatically. Easy installation and 1-year support make it user-friendly and dependable for everyday driving protection. Overall, it is a feature-rich dashcam offering excellent value, reliable performance, and peace of mind on the road. Highly recommended for long trips, rideshare drivers, and daily commuters seeking full vehicle security. Now our second product is Teransui Wi-Fi dash camera for cars. The Teransui dual-channel dash cam delivers impressive Ultra HD 4K recording for both front and rear cameras, ensuring crystal clear footage of every driving detail. With a 170 degrees ultra-wide front lens, it captures multiple lanes and reduces blind spots effectively, making it ideal for highways and city driving. The included 128GB memory card and loop recording provide instant usability, while the G-sensor automatically locks important collision footage to prevent overwriting. Night driving is enhanced with Super Starlight Night Vision, f1.5/f1.8 large apertures, and WDR technology, producing clear and balanced images even in low-light conditions. Built-in GPS records real-time speed, routes, and location data for strong evidence support. The 5.8 GHz per 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi with app control allows fast video transfer, remote settings, and easy sharing. 24-hour parking monitoring with time-lapse and collision detection adds extra security when parked. Easy installation, strong features, and 18-month warranty make this dash cam a reliable and practical choice for everyday driving safety and peace of mind. Our third product is Red Tiger dash camera for cars with GPS. The Red Tiger F7 NP dash cam delivers reliable dual-channel protection with 4K front and 1080p rear recording, capturing clear and detailed footage for everyday driving. Powered by the advanced Starvis 2 sensor, f1.5 aperture, and 6-layer optical lens, it produces sharp, well-balanced images even in challenging lighting conditions. With 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear wide-angle views, it ensures broad road coverage, making it ideal for commuters, rideshare drivers, and road trip users. Night driving performance is enhanced by WDR and HDR technology, delivering clear contrast and visibility in both bright and dark environments. Built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and the Red Tiger app allow fast video downloads, real-time playback, GPS tracking, and easy device control. Loop recording with included memory card ensures continuous storage, while the G-sensor locks important collision footage automatically. 24/7 parking mode adds extra security, and the supercapacitor design improves heat resistance and long-term durability. Backed by an 18-month warranty, it is a dependable and well-rounded dashcam for complete driving protection and peace of mind. Now number 4, Viofo Voice Control Car Dash Camera. The Viofo A229 Plus stands out as a premium dual-channel dashcam powered by dual Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 sensors, delivering exceptional clarity and low-noise performance even in nighttime driving. With up to 2.5 times improved dynamic range and light sensitivity, it captures sharp, detailed footage that significantly reduces motion blur and enhances overall visibility. Its 2K plus 2K HDR recording system ensures balanced exposure in both front and rear cameras, making license plates and road details easier to read even in fast-moving traffic. The front camera supports up to 1440p at 60 frames per second, offering smooth and highly accurate video quality. Built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi enables fast video transfer and seamless control through the Viofo app, while ultra-precise quad-mode GPS, Beidou, Galileo, GLONASS, provides reliable speed and location tracking for evidence recording. Voice control with multiple commands adds hands-free convenience for safer driving. With 3 parking modes, user-friendly interface, and flexible installation, the A229 Plus is a powerful, reliable, and feature-rich dashcam ideal for drivers who want top-tier safety, clarity, and modern smart control. And our last choice is Hupajo's dash camera for cars. The Hupajo's V8 Ultra 5-channel dashcam offers one of the most complete 360 degrees protection systems available, combining front, rear, cabin, and side coverage in a single device. With ultra-wide 150 degrees lenses on all 5 channels, it delivers full situational awareness, making it ideal for family cars, rideshare drivers, and fleet vehicles. Multiple recording modes, up to 4K plus 1080p configuration options, allow flexible video quality based on storage needs. Its dual rear camera system enhances safety by monitoring back seats, trunk, and side windows, perfect for passengers, pets, and cargo security. The built-in AI driver monitoring system adds another layer of protection by detecting fatigue, distraction, smoking, and phone use, helping improve driving habits. Night performance is strengthened with IR lights, CPL filter, and multi-glass optics for clearer low-light footage. GPS tracking, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, voice control, loop recording, and G-sensor locking ensure smart functionality and reliable evidence capture. With 24/7 parking mode and included 128 GB card support, the V8 Ultra is a powerful all-in-one security solution for maximum driving safety and peace of mind. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.